Hello guys, welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm going to introduce our newest products, model number SD451S. For this new unit, it's also the chest styling freezers with sliding top, 2 sliding glass door on top of it. And let's take a measurement for the overall sizes. Entirely units is about like 50 inches in the length and 27.5 inches in the depth. And the overall height will be 31.5 inches at the front and 34 inches at the back. It's curved right here. And also the units come with the 4 casters at the bottom, easily to move. And we can take a look here. We can see the temperature, the measurements here, and the LED light switches here. And also you can see the level controls here from 1 to 7. Depends we're going to storage, choose the level for the compressor running temperatures. And we keep looking at the back. So the units is using the 110 plugs, standard US plugs, like this one. And have the water exhaust here, same way. And also the ETL certification have the stickers on it. Let's go ahead and take a measurement for the inside. The units is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 basket units, and let's take a measurement. It's about like 21.5 inches in the dips, and this one still almost 25 inches. And the length for the inner side is about like 44.5 inches for the inner side. And the basket is about 22 inches. And the 8.5 inches in the wide. Dips will be 11.5 inches. And thank you so much for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please just contact with us. We'll give more details and assistance.